Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today I'm home and I want to clean my fridge. Okay, so there was too much ice and I defrosted it. I switched it off for a while and I hope it's going to melt quickly. So let's do it. So guys, I decided to do this the day before, but I postponed it to the next day. So I decided to switch off the fridge for ever since last night. So it's been off for over 12 hours, and it's because the freezer was full of ice. So that's why I decided to switch it off early the whole night up until 11 a.m. So this is 11 a.m. me cleaning up the fridge. So I decided to remove everything one by one and then start cleaning it out. I always use a spray bottle with some liquid to clean it up. I don't use water. I use a glass. It's because it's a glass shell, so I use glass cleaner to clean it up, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I remove the shelves one by one and clean it up, wipe it out, make sure it's shiny before I put them back in. And I did that for all of the shelves. This fridge is a very tall fridge and it has like almost 5 shelves. So I did that and I finished it, and then I went to the freezer. That's the main work, is because it was hard frozen and it was full of ice, so I decided to finish it up with the freezer after I finished with the top. So let's do this. So once again guys, I'm busy cleaning up and making sure everything is shiny before I put it back. And guys, if you're new to my channel, please kindly consider subscribing and also watch my previous videos. I decided at this point in my YouTube live, I'm going to do some lifestyle videos instead of workout videos. I'll just be mixing them together, workout, lifestyle, and also food. So if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and share with friends and family. I'll be so grateful to you all. Thank you. So guys, I was done with my cleaning all the glasses, the glass counters, and now I'm putting back my fruits and veg. I always have my apples, my carrots, green pepper, tomatoes, everything, and at the bottom, and I put them together, and then I start putting the other stuff inside. Whenever you come to my house, you know where to find it. So at the bottom, there's a lot of ice lollies, and there you go. Some frozen chapos, some Viennas, hot dogs. You call it hot dogs. And I also had to clean it up, to wash it with warm water. Yeah, it is. It's very clean now. I had to put back all the ice creams and also arrange it very well because some of them were already melted. So some of the burgers, because whenever the kids want some burgers I can make them. So I have to get some of those, and also we get some of the fruits, frozen fruits and veg. I put them aside with the meat because the fridge is not that big, it's a very small fridge, so it's like I had to fix everything together and put them aside. And this is our last part where we go to our last freezer drawer. So the last one is the one that I put some of the meat, that's beef, and some sausages that are remaining, because sometimes we have to do them dry, and I just remove it quickly and do the fry. So this is the last section that we are going to clean, guys. It was messy, it was really messy, but thank God that it was already, like, everything was just falling off. Look at that, guys. Everything was just cracking and falling off. Like, it was easy, but at the same time it was very, very hard. I had to like tap it with the rolling pin for some time before we could start cleaning with a brush, cracking everything, make sure everything is off before we start putting back the drawers. Okay, so this is it. I had to heat it a little bit, and they came up pretty quickly because I had already switched it off for like a whole almost 12 hours, so it was easy. See how the brush is bringing everything together. I had to just scoop all the ice off and put it away. It wasn't that easy at the same time because it's very cold. I know some of you understand it. It's very, very cold. So let's finish it up and put back our drawers. So guys, this is where I needed some manpower in the house, but there was no one in the house to help me, so I had to do it myself. Push the fridge aside so that I can clean the back of it because there was a lot of water and my husband traveled, so I was doing it on my own, and it was much easy because the fridge has it can roll over by itself, so it's easy. And I cleaned it up and finished everything, and then I pushed it back to where it was supposed to be, and that's how I did it, guys. I couldn't believe that I cleaned the fridge. I defrosted the fridge. Thank God. But there was too much ice. That's why I decided to defrost it, because whenever I wanted to open the freezer, it wasn't easy. It wasn't coming out. Sometimes it was frozen to the top. So thank God I did it, and and I'm happy that I did it, guys. I did it. Yay! You guys should clap for me now. So guys, I was done with cleaning the back of the fridge, and don't worry about the black tiles, guys. I don't know who did this house because it's not my house. It's an apartment, so I don't know. I don't like the black tiles at all, guys. It's making me feel very bad, so I don't know why they put black tiles, but that's that. So that's me again, guys. Let's do this and clean the water, because this fridge right now was dripping. The water was dropping like crazy. And that's our first drawer. It goes in very smoothly, guys. Can you see that? Wow, it looks even clean. Look at that. Wow, I can't believe it. I couldn't open this freezer, like pull out the drawers like that. No. So I also had to put in some water to ice. I needed some ice, so I put in water in the ice block quartz holder or something. I don't know what you call it, so I had to put it in because I needed something new, something nice. So that's our water. Our fridge is ready. Our fridge is ready, guys. So let's switch it on and see how it's looking. Look how shiny it is. It's shining, guys, from top to bottom. It's clean. It smells good. The food is even clean. You can eat it like that. Look at the freezer. Ooh, the freezer, you can really see all the rails. Everything is there. It was too much ice, I can tell you guys. The freezer is the one that made me defrost this fridge, okay? So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.